Who doesn't need superpowers?
But now this incredible power, it's mine.
Welcome to TTI. Welcome to a whole new world of science and fun. Today, we're going to explore some fantastic technology, which undoubtedly gives you some crazy superpowers. I know that you're excited, so let's begin.
Number 10.
Telepathy. We all know that telepathy is the unique ability of our beloved mutant hero, Professor Charles Xavier from X-Men. However, scientists at Duke University successfully connected the brains of 2 laboratory rats by using wire implants. After that, rats were able to communicate brain to brain. In a series of experiments, one rat was able to interpret the signals of the other rat about 70% of the time. A rat at Duke was even linked to a rat in Brazil with similar success. Imagine what you can do with this mind-reading technology. You can check the lie of politicians to whom you're going to give your precious votes to. You can even identify trustworthy employees for your company. And police can investigate suspects for their crime without torturing them. Moreover, by this mind-reading tech, every criminal case will be solved within less time, which means there will not be pending cases in courts, and you wouldn't have to pay for lawyer fees anymore.
Number 9.
Bespoke Bulletproof Suit. Bullets have no effect on Superman and Hulk, while this suit is created as a bulletproof suit to keep its wearer safe from their travels to dangerous places for work. Generally, bulletproof pieces of equipment are so bulky, but this suit is a lightweight garment that not only looks professional but can also act as a strong body armor, and comprised of the same carbon nanotubes designed for the US troops. The special nanotubes in the fabric harden to block force from penetrating bullets. And this reliable and safe garrison bulletproof suit costs less than your precious life. Sounds like something James Bond should invest in.
Number 8.
PlayACrawler. The PlayACrawler is a single-occupant transport vehicle with locomotion based on the mechanical linkage developed by Mark Ellis. After a long and tedious manufacturing process, the PlayACrawler finally came to life. It's styled after the diesel punk aesthetics such as World War I military vehicles. The vehicle walks, instead of rolls, on 8 pairs of articulated legs, driven by 2 brushless electric wheelchair motors with some mechanical linkages developed by Theo Jansen. The PlayACrawler is powered by 2 group of 27 deep cycle lead-acid batteries. Turning is achieved through skid steering, much like how a tank operates. Well, this chair will provide you the superpower of laziness.
Number 7.
Dr. Octopus Superpower. While many things aren't handy at all in this busy world, and we feel the need of some extra hands, meet Meta Limbs. An extra pair of hands that would be pretty useful sometimes. With these extra hands, you can type an email, read a book, bring a coffee while chowing down on some potato chips. The Meta Limbs is created by a team of Japanese engineers at the University of Tokyo. These arms that are controlled with your feet and knees even have haptic sensors on the robot hands that generate force feedback on your feet. Well, we have one more gadget that will make you look similar to Dr. Octopus. Meet Deluxe Spinal Armour. It's a full-length metallic biomechanical spinal armor with the glowing vertebrae. The spine column consists of vertebrae made from aluminum, and its shoulder piece is made from 3/8 inches of thick plastic with aluminum highlights. There are several LED grill lightings, which are heartbeat reactive lighting modules that sense your heartbeat and glow the lights in real time, pulsing the lights on and off according to the heartbeat of the wearer.
Number 6.
OrniThopter. We all know about Mutant Archangel from X-Men, who can naturally fly with the help of his beautiful wings. Meet OrniThopter, an entirely human-powered flying plane, also known as Snowbird, which is initiated by the students of Toronto University. This project achieves one of humanity's oldest dreams with the successful flight of a human-powered, flapping wing aircraft. This project was initiated in 2006 and was perfected before its official flying in October of 2009. It promotes efficiency, sustainability, and the use of human power as means of reducing society's impact on the environment. The snowboard is made up of carbon fiber, balsa wood, and foam, and its wingspan is 32 meters long and weighs just 44.7 kilograms. You need to keep pedaling to fly it at a speed of 25.6 kilometers per hour.
Number 5.
Meet Centauro, a disaster response four-legged robot created at the Italian Institute of Technology and funded by the EU. Its design is inspired by Centauro, which is a mythical creature that looks half human and half horse. Its design is more effective and stable. Its human-like torso and arms allow it to perform excellent motor functions. This robot is composed of lightweight metals and its body is covered with 3D printed plastic. However, this robot is not autonomous. It requires a human operator, which is a job that takes quite a bit of training. It can go inside of buildings and on stairs, which are cluttered with debris and partially collapsed. Introducing T5000 Xray Vision. This will provide you the power of supervision like Superman. Created by an innovative security imaging company, Through Vision, this device uses passive non-ionizing terahertz imaging technology to reveal concealed weapons in both stationary and mobile subjects, and at a range of up to 25 meters. Moreover, it doesn't have any damaging effect on tissue and DNA, like X-rays. T-rays can pass through clothing, paper, cardboard, masonry, fog, clouds, and even wood. It doesn't have any damaging effects on tissue and DNA, like X-rays.
Number 4.
We all know that Aquaman can go underwater and even be able to breathe. This cool superpower is needed to experience life underwater. Introducing 3D printed GILLS, a fully 3D printed mask that could help humans breathe underwater. It's inspired by nature and created by a Japanese material scientist, Jun Kamay, as a result of collaboration between Tokyo University and London's Royal College of the Arts. The flexible and water-resistant rings are 3D printed, with multiple compartments which take oxygen from the surrounding water. Oxygen molecules in the water travel through the membrane inside of the gill to compensate the concentration difference, like the process of osmosis.
Number 3.
Spidey-Sense is the special ability of our beloved hero, Peter Parker, that provided 360-degree awareness to him against all possible threats from his enemies. However, researchers at the University of California have created this device. By using ultrasonic sensors and vibration motors, this device provides awareness of obstacles in the environment to users. We think this may be particularly useful for those with visual impairments. Victor Mateevitsi, a PhD candidate at the University of Illinois, Chicago, has created this tiny robotic arms which are equipped with ultrasonic sensors. It also acts as a SpiderSense, which detects nearby objects, and the arms exert more and more pressure on the skin. There are 7 different sensors, so someone wearing the suit can feel the direction that the object is in. PVAC, Personal Vacuum Assistant Climber. A group of engineering students from the Utah State University prefer to literally climb the walls. The device is basically a vacuum motor that powers 2 suction paddles and sticks onto any building surface, be it glass, stucco, or brick, and is powerful enough to support up to 700 pounds. Definitely, this will make you real Spider-Man.
Number 2.
Hulk Superpower. We all know that when Bruce Banner transforms into Hulk, all his clothes get ripped off, except for his pants. Researchers have developed this fantastic material at the University of Rochester, which may be useful for making the Hulk's pants. It's a sample of a polymer elastomer that is called a shape memory polymer. On applying the force, it gets deformed due to being closer to the crystalline state. But when you touch it with your skin, it regains its original shape. We also know that the Hulk jumps high and runs very fast. This man, Ki-Hai Seymour, has created this Bionic Boot, which allows you to take the human body to the next level. With this, you can run at a speed of 25 miles per hour or 40 kilometers an hour.
Number 1.
You know how Goku and Vegeta have Kamay, Iron Man's Mark I suit can shoot flames and lasers, X-Men's Pyro can shoot flames? But don't worry, as usual, we have Flamethrower. The Flamethrower is a weapon that operates much like a squirt gun, but instead of water, it spews flammable liquid that's ignited as it exits the barrel. Elon Musk's Boring Company is selling this Flamethrower for $500. There's another device available on the market, which is also known as the Pyro FireShooter. It lets you unleash a flame right from your hand. This wearable device shoots mini fireballs that travel nearly 10 feet and disappear like magic. It includes flash cotton and flash paper, which have to be loaded into the shooter's 2 barrels to act as a primer. With the touch of a button, the highly flammable material ignites and bursts forth in a bright flame before quickly burning up. However, this is not a kid's toy, so be safe and don't try it without the permission of your local officials. Thanks for watching! Which gadget did you find the most impressive? Let me know in the comment section below. If you're new here, then feel free to subscribe and be my friend. If you like the content, you can support me on patreon.com. See you later. Peace.